Growing up, I was always attracted to motorsport. I remember watching hours of standing Group N production car racing. Finally going to watch the 9-hour Group N endurance race on the main straight at Killarney Raceway in Cape Town. Cars carrying battle scars from hours of intense racing into the night, brakes glowing red, asking anyone who looked like a driver for their autograph. Manufacturing giants going head to head in battle for the crown of South Africa's most prestigious trophies. BMW versus Opel versus Toyota versus Nissan, etc., etc. It was fast, it was hard, it was wild, it was glorious. Some even say the glory days. All I know is I was hooked. This is what started my journey with this cross-eyed bear called motorsport. This is what started the build of this car. This is what led us to this day. Alright, so first track test. So we're gonna see, we're just gonna shake the car down easily. Feels like it's catching on the front end already. Feels really good though. This is literally the first few laps. Put on the car. The front end feels amazing on this. Super responsive.
I'm Jacques from SSBB Builds. I've been racing front wheel drive for over 8 years. I won a championship, came runner up in 2 others. I'm building this BMW to find out what it's like to be involved with rear wheel drive cars and the classic BMW heritage. Join me on this discovery as I share my passion.
Feels like it's rubbing there on the front. Wow! It's so fast! You can hear it rubbing on the front. Wow! It's so strong! Holy smokes! Has very good grip, but I'm worried about it rubbing on the front right, so we're not going to put too much into it. Holy fuck! Front end. Feel that. Wow. even more than that. Wow! I tell you what, unbelievable, unbelievable. Changing gears is a bit tricky. Wow, this car is so good. Fuck me, this car is so quick. Wow. Okay, okay. That's a bit crazy. Fucking hell. Wow. Wow. If you want to see some more of this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Just click on the subscribe button, hit the bell, and you're good to go. So we're just doing a bit of a bolt and nut check, a spanner check, and then we found we've got an oil leak by the dipstick on the sump. So we're trying to figure out what's going on there. But the first session was successful, the car feels amazing. There's a bit of rubbing here and there, so we just might have to raise the ride height a bit. It feels amazing. It's very quick in a straight line, handles well. I haven't really leaned on the car because it's rubbing a bit here and there, but first test went really well, so I'm chuffed. We just got to make sure everything's fine. Let's see what it was. Okay, so second session, we're just gonna take it easy again, see what it feels like. There's no one behind me. Car feels good. Just trying to get some heat in the tires. Wow, the car handles well. Feels so confidence inspiring. I'm going into fifth because I'm not even giving full throttle. There's full throttle. Also trying to bed in the brakes. PFC pads are amazing. Fuck, it's so fast. So fast! Whoa! throttle, so just taking it easy. It's not happening. Oh man. Look at that. Lord, it's fast. Whoa! Look at that! Wow! Oh, bit of heavy on the brakes there. Okay, we'll take it easy. This car is so fast. There's smoke coming out. There's smoke coming out. That's not good. Oh shit. Hope that's smoke on the exhaust or something. Pushed it a bit hard there. Car feels amazing. Saw a bit of smoke. That is not good. Bit worried about that. After speaking to people on the side of the track, then doing lots of inspections, we figured out that the smoke is coming from oil leaking out from various places on the engine, because BMW, onto the exhaust, especially through the high-speed corners. So to get rid of this, we need to fix all the oil leaks and try again. Okay, let's go and do another session. We have to just watch everything. Sun is setting nicely. Car feels so good. Warming up the tires. It's amazing how well this car handles. Keep it in third here, just because it has so much torque. Look at that. Amazing. Wow, wow. I'm speechless. Speechless. Bit of smoke coming through the back. Don't know what that's from. Through turn 3. So we'll just do a cool down lap now. What an amazing car, and what an amazing way to get this thing on the track. What a 2 years it's been. Just listen to it. Let's see if we can get it sideways here. And it just responds so well. Something's happening in the fast right-hander there. Just incredible. I'm in love with this car. And just takes it. Seems to just take it. What a car. As the sun set on a truly magnificent day, it was hard not to feel overwhelmed. I had achieved so much. The car was everything I hoped it could be, and more. We have the ability to make this life wonderful and to seek out every adventure. It is important that we do this no matter what situation you find yourself in. We have one shot at this. Make it count. Alright, so what a day it's been. Busy taking some pictures. I mean, just look at that beast. Just look at it. What an epic day. We got some problems with oil leaks. That's pretty much the only thing. The car pulls so well, it handles well. I'm just over the moon with how good this car is. Andrew has been helping me with filming. Big shout out to him. Thank you so much, Andrew. And yeah, so we're just taking some pictures now for our website. And man, I tell you what a car, what a beautiful day. Thank you so much everybody who supported me again. Thank you 5-star, thank you for the build and everything, and yeah, hopefully soon we can get this car on the track, but for now just look at it, man. What an amazing car.